Hey. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing a squishy review, and first of all, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, let's get on to this video. So I think I've reached 41 squishies, and my camera girl's behind me. I don't know why, but she's supposed to be in front of me. Okay, so yeah. This is my first squishy. He's gonna put water on you. And yeah. Okay. My water bottle. And here's the second squishy. What? Here's the third squishy. This is my fourth. Here's my fifth. And here's my sixth. Here's my seventh. Just got a TikTok notification. Okay. Eighth. Ninth. 10th. 11. This one's very slow rising. 12. 13. 14. Where is it? 15? Yeah. And, there's my 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. I like it how realistic this is because it has burnt money and all that. Oh my god, my phone almost freaking fell. Why did I say go? The camera. I forget where I was. Frick. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, just wait. Let me count. 21. This was a 21. This was a 20. 30th, 31, 30. Ow! Ooh! Ooh! 32. Yeah, 32. This one's still slow rising. Just gonna leave it here. Okay, you know how slow rising it is. Okay. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40th. 41. Guess I have more than 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. And 47. Thank you for watching my video if you watched till the end. And I'm going to say this one more time. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Boop.